Hello everybody, I got another control board. I don't have any papers for this one, and looks like it's an oven control board. I don't know what's going on here, but I will check. I don't have the papers. I have to call the customer. I don't know what's the order number on this one. I think the customer placed the order online, but I'm not quite sure. Okay, we might have multiple issues here. So he sent me a screen. I don't know. Oh, I see. The screen is from here. Okay. I think I have an idea what I'm dealing with. Okay. I will see what I can do, but I think this repair might be quite complicated. So from what I can see, I'll have to take a look under the microscope. I think the customer tried to fix it. As you can see, the small trace lines, they are broken. There's one trace line here. I'm just gonna take my, you know what, let me put it under the microscope. Yeah, it looks like somebody worked on this. Oh my goodness, I don't know. I really don't know if I can get this one working. Some jobs, you know, I prefer not to take because, you know, it's sometimes it's just beyond me. Okay. Yeah, like I can see what can be done, but I see lots of problems. Like, for example, I see this transistor missing a leg and missing a trace line, and see it's loose. Look, and this trace line is on in the air pretty much, and then this another trace line is loose, or I'm not sure. Let me take it under the microscope. I will see if I can even do anything about this controller. I think I might have to refund the customer on this one, because it looks like this, I would say this is probably beyond my skill to do that. And you know what, I'm okay with that. I mean, I repair control boards, but you know, I really don't like when the customer's touching it. They cause too much problems, and I can see those ugly soldering points and stuff, and oh boy, I really want to fix this, but I see there's a problem here. Not so much on this side, and lots of problems here. I will show you what I see in the big picture, so that way, you know, you can enjoy the scene. Okay. Just one moment. I'm gonna turn it on. And you know what, guys, I'm okay to say no to some repairs, because I almost see that it's too much problems, even in a small area. I mean, I can try, but I'll show you what I see here in the big picture right away. Just give me 1 sec. One moment. I never know where to press. There you go. Okay. So I'm just gonna show you what I see here. Okay. Beauty. Okay. I hope you guys can see it. Okay. So let's start from here. Let me just zoom in like this. Don't move. There's like a little hair here or something. What is it? Is it a hair? Disgusting. Okay. Look. So this trace line, no problem. See, this trace line is broken. This is the trace. See this trace line? So sure, I can make a pod here. Sure, I can fix this trace line. Okay, next one. Next one is, I don't even see the trace line. Is it broken, or there's no trace line, or what's going on with this one? So this one, okay, let's say there's no trace line on this one. Okay, so blank. Sure, let's go next. This one, sure, no problem with this one. Next trace line, no problem. This trace line, no problem. What's going on here? Oh my goodness. Okay, this one looks like it's gonna go here. This one, okay, this one will go here. This one, no problem, no problem. Back to this video. So looks like maybe the screen, maybe I can still fix the screen. Like those trace lines are okay. So far doesn't look really bad. Like here we have a missing component right here, which is not a problem too. I can get this one going. Look at this mess here. So it looks like a resistor, and I think there's a trace line going on this leg, and this leg is missing, and then we have, this is all loose. Look at this. And I don't know if it's loose on the other side too, but again, missing trace line. Where does it belong? Is it belong here or there? I'm not sure. This side is okay, looks like okay. I don't know. Another trace line just hanging like this. That's crazy. I can probably try to get this one fixed up. I would say it's in pretty bad shape. Now this trace line, see, there's another trace line going to this point, but this trace line, where is it supposed to go? Is it supposed to connect here or here? You know, and Yeah, so there's a missing piece here on the C35. And then I got this display with all the legs are crooked, which is also not a big problem. Another pod here, missing pod from the board. Oh boy, I don't know even where to start. Honestly, well, in order for me to get this one's going, and you know, it's not 100% repair because this is a resistor, by the way, from I just don't know where this trace line is supposed to go. Is it supposed to go here or it's supposed to go there? Because we already have one trace line connected to here. Yeah, I think this will go right here. Okay, so I'm not sure how this has all happened, but anyways, I think it's maybe still possible to get this one going, but I need more time. I'll call the customer. I can't do it for a couple $100. It's just it's too much work. It's a lot of work. I have to make sure all the trace line in place. I can't leave it like this hanging, you know. And looks like this trace line is going to here, so it's probably there's a point here that I have to connect, but I'm not sure, right? Maybe not. Is it connected to this point and this point? I don't know. I probably have to research the same exact board and zoom in and see. It's all doable, but it's many hours of work. Like, I can't leave this transistor like this too. It's gotta go here on a Q27 spot right here. You know, I can't leave this component hanging like this as well. It's gotta go to R176 right here. This is also not good. You see how it's all, this is the resistor behind it. It's a lot of work here, and this is just on this section and also repairing this trace line. Also missing component on the C35. I don't know which component. I have to find the same exact board and see what's in there. I think it might be possible to get this one repaired. This trace line is like, look at this. I have to put it in place. You know, there's a special a product I have to get, because I usually don't get such a, you know, boards in such a bad condition. I need a product to put this back in place, glue it nicely so it's intact. I need to take all those components out, take all the solder out, clean everything, get this transistor right here. I think it's a transistor. Again, I'm not sure because there's missing pieces. There's another missing trace line here that I have to extend. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I will let the customer know, but I need at least, I think here, additional 3 hours for sure. 3 hours minimum. That's gonna be minimum. And again, it's not 100% that it's gonna be repaired, because the amount of damage I can see, it's a lot. Anyways guys, this is just the diagnostics video. I just want to show you what kind of boards I get. If the customer decided he don't want to repair it, unfortunately, I mean, I have to see another missing trace line that I have to extend. I'll let the customer know I need I would say minimum 3 hours on this board, because I want to make it right. So I want to find first the same exact board somewhere online. Here another trace line that needs to be fixed. Another one, look, what is this? Is that just a trace line? I'm not sure. This trace line looks like it's, yeah, I really have to inspect it little inch, like inch by inch here, because see this trace line? What about this? There's no trace line going in. Is it this trace line connected to both of them, or one of them? I really don't know. Anyways, there's lots of work here, and this is just the diagnostics. This is all, like, I'm pretty much preparing myself to this kind of work, and see how much time it will take to do this repair. Yeah. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. I will let the customer know that for sure I need here minimum 3 hours, maybe even. It's a small section here, but there is so much problems